let's talk about the cleaning and maintenance that you need to do on the Husqvarna Viking Amber Air S600. So you're going to notice there's a lot of lint that is built up just because there's a cutting blade here. Inside the machine, there is going to be even more. Plus, these air tubes that we so love do need to be cleaned from time to time. And don't forget, have your machine serviced annually at your local Husqvarna Viking retailer and service center for it to truly be in top running condition for years to come. Now, there is a page in your book for cleaning. So taking just the brush that you have with your machine, that's going to help brush everything away. Don't blow into this machine and don't use canned air, please. It pushes more in than out, trust me. You could pick a different brush too if you've got like a makeup brush or a Q-tip. Those are all great suggestions. You just want to really get in and remove as much lint as possible. Sometimes I do it after I've done a really like red project or something with black fabric, because this is all black and red, and then my next project's white. I want to make sure that that doesn't kind of get surged into the white fabric. So get in here, clean it out. Next, you have oil, and you also have this small kind of looped metal in this Ziploc bag that is going to help clean out these tubes. So first off, for oiling, as you oil, you want to make sure that you do not oil in anything that is part of the air threading system, and make sure you don't get oil where those tubes actually are closed when you are doing the threading. So just make sure you avoid all of that. Next, when you are ready to do the oiling, it does show in your book where you're going to oil, but you're going to notice that as you turn this hand wheel, there is a shaft right here that actually looks a little shiny right now for mine, is that it goes up and down kind of through a collar area. And so with that, some lubrication on that area, plus the little part kind of down at the bottom, you can add a little bit of lubricant just to help keep it all nice and flowing smoothly. So that's really the only place you oil. You can also take the throat plate off with this screwdriver here, get underneath and clean out anything that has gathered underneath there. Now, back to this little loop. So there's a way to clean these tubes out. So what you want to do is take a small piece, not like full on yarn, but a very thin piece of thread or cord-ish that's very gentle, maybe more cotton than anything. And you're going to turn the hand wheel so you can close up the air tubes and wait for that click. Then feed the pointy end, not the looped end, the pointy end down through the hole. You'll actually go through the whole entire thing and come out the looper. So just go all the way down through it. And I know I have thread in it, so that's no big deal here. But when it comes out here, I want you to thread some yarn in this and then pull it all the way through. So you're going this direction as it's coming, and you'll kind of catch all that extra lint that has built up. Also, when there's no thread in here, give this a few kind of pushes, get the air to kind of sweep out anything extra after you've done that cleaning with this little tool. And I will tell you, put this tool back in that Ziploc bag because you're going to need it from time to time, and it will get lost if you don't, trust me. But that is how easy it is to clean. Don't forget to get in on a regular service maintenance schedule. Once a year is what we say at our store, to have everything that's on the inside of here cleaned, oiled, and adjusted, and this Serger is going to treat you good for lots of years to come.